The latest tech leak is about the Galaxy Note 9, in which the leaker claims that this box is of the Galaxy Note 9 and it has the main specs and features of this phone. It says that the screen is 6.4-inch with display, which comes to Super AMOLED display with 12 megapixel cameras in the back with f1.5 to 2.4 aperture, dual pixel PDA support in secondary telephoto, one with 12 MP resolution and f2.4 aperture. The front camera is 8 MP with autofocus. They say that the camera can shoot slow motion videos in 960 fps. So the listener remote control feature, 128 GB of internal storage paired with 6 GB of RAM and an upgraded 4000 mAh battery. That is great actually. Additional device both speakers and earbuds both designed by AKG. For protection, it is IP68 water certified and contains both the iris scanner and fingerprint reader on the back.